Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna make 3 super simple and quick recipes that are vegan, oil-free, made with whole plant foods, and really delicious. So the first recipe we are gonna make is a tofu stir fry. It's loaded with vegetables, the tofu tastes amazing, and we're serving it over some brown rice. But if you want to make this faster, just serve it over white rice. It cooks a lot faster. Or you can meal prep a bunch of rice and eat rice all week. The second recipe is cauliflower black bean tacos. Who doesn't love tacos? They're fast, they're easy, and super awesome. And the third recipe is a lentil bolognese. So all you gotta do is have pasta, marinara, and lentils, and pretty much done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is cut your tofu. I'm cutting it into 1-inch cubes. You can cut it into whatever size you like. And then we're gonna make the marinade, so get a small bowl and add in soy sauce, maple syrup, sesame oil, garlic powder, and ginger powder, and some chili paste if you want a little bit of heat. Finally, peanut butter. If you don't want peanuts, then you can use any seed butter, or almond butter works really good too. So get a nice container that you can seal. We're gonna put the marinade in there and shake it up so you don't want it to leak. So you pour on the marinade, put on the lid nice and tight, give it a good shake, and let that sit while you prepare the rest of the stir fry. Since I'm using pre-sliced mushrooms and frozen broccoli for this recipe, the only vegetables I need to cut are the bell pepper and onion. So I'm using half of the orange and half of the yellow pepper here because I like the colors, but you can use whatever color pepper you like or use something else. Just cutting my onion into pretty decent sized pieces and breaking them up so that they spread apart better and cook through. When you're adding the vegetables to the pan, add the ones that take the longest to cook first. So I'm starting with the frozen broccoli, and I had some carrots left over that I'm going to use also. Once you've got all your veggies in there and they're mixed up a little bit, go ahead and cover it and let them steam for about 5 minutes. Then you're gonna add in the tofu. Mix that up and cook it until it's nice and hot, probably about another 5 minutes. And then it's ready to serve. So you can eat this with rice, noodles, by itself, whatever you're feeling. And then you've got yourself a nice plant-based, healthy meal that's ready in less than 30 minutes. Next recipe we are making is the cauliflower and black bean tacos. So we're going to chop up the cauliflower into small pieces like so that they fit in the taco nicely. Then we're going to cut some onion and grate a couple cloves of garlic. I like to grate it instead of dicing it, but if you want to dice it, that's totally fine. I just like the small little pieces I get from grating. Then chop a little cilantro for garnish at the end. Add the garlic and onion and a tablespoon of water to a pan and saute that for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then add in your cauliflower and a little bit more water since we're not using oils to help it to not stick. Cover that and steam it for about 5 minutes. Add in your corn, black beans. Give it a nice stir. Add in some salt, turmeric, cumin, stir it up and cook for a couple more minutes, and it's ready to put in your tacos. I like adding avocado and like shredded cabbage to my tacos, garnishing with cilantro and plenty of hot sauce. For the last recipe, our lentil bolognese, we're gonna need to cook some lentils. So I'm using 1 cup of lentils with 3 cups of water. And then just simmering that for about 10-15 minutes till it's done. I'm using TVP here, which is textured vegetable protein. You could also use diced mushrooms if you wanna make this more of a whole foods recipe. I just used all my mushrooms for the stir fry. So I'm just letting that soak, and I'm cooking my pasta. Then I'm gonna make the bolognese sauce, which is super easy. I'm just adding a jar of some store-bought marinara. I think this is Trader Joe's arrabbiata sauce. Then I'm adding that rehydrated TVP. And the cooked lentils. I would rather use red lentils here, but I didn't have any. But these lentils worked just fine. Stir it up and simmer until it's nice and toasty. Once it's nice and hot, go ahead and add the pasta in and stir it up quickly. I used some tongs to try to get it mixed together better. It seemed to work a lot easier than just a wooden spoon. And then it's ready to eat. So I served it with some greens because you gotta eat your greens. And this was super delicious, really fast recipe, ready in about 20 minutes. And there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed these 3 super delicious, quick and easy vegan meal ideas. If you did, give it a thumbs up and follow me on social media and subscribe to my channel. Bye.